One of the difficulties novice drivers have when merging onto highway or interstate is adapting to the speed of traffic. One common mistake I've seen beginners do is getting on the acceleration lane and almost stopping the car right before the highway entering point because they get scared. If you want to master this technique, I suggest to pick a time of day where traffic is not as busy. By doing this, you will be able to practice your skills with less stress and build up that confidence you need. Practicing during rush hour can be challenging, yes, especially for beginners. But in this tutorial, you will learn a few techniques that if you follow, it will make your highway mergings easy and smooth. Now, normally when entering the ramp, you will be going at around 25 to 35 miles per hour and is usually curved. Once the lane starts to straighten, it becomes the acceleration lane. When you get to this point, the first thing that we need to do is put on your left turn signal and leave it on until you join the highway. This signal lets the highway traffic know you are coming. This way, they can assist you by switching one lane to the left, slowing down, or even speeding up to help you create the gap you are looking for. At the same time, you want to gradually increase your speed to match the highway traffic speed or the speed limit, whichever is less. After all this is done, you want to find a spot to join by using your mirrors and at least do 2 head checks to make sure that there is no one on your blind spot. Also be aware that you are not allowed to cross the solid white lanes. Wait for the dotted white lanes to start switching lanes. Also, sometimes when entering the highway, you will notice that some merging lanes ends in a couple hundred feet after you joined, thus giving you little time to make a left lane change. Just be aware of this and always look ahead so it doesn't surprise you. Let's go ahead and practice a few highway mergings. Again, when you enter on the ramp, be aware of the speed limit and try to maintain that. Once you get to the acceleration point, place the left turn signal on and start to accelerate to match the speed of the traffic, not to exceed the speed limit. Very important to keep this in mind. At this point, you should be checking your mirrors and doing a couple head checks, scanning for the upcoming traffic. If you have to lean forward to have a better view of the traffic, go ahead and do so. Our goal is to find a spot with sufficient space for your car that can make the transition safely and smooth. As you gain more confidence doing this maneuver, I suggest to gradually start practicing with more traffic. Just be aware that the more traffic you have, it could make the merging a little bit more difficult. Be ready to accelerate, and sometimes you will have to slow down by applying the brakes to accommodate the vehicle in the spot you want. A few things that I want you to remember from this video are: 1. Left turn signal on all the time as soon as you enter the ramp. This will communicate to other drivers that you want to enter the highway. 2. Accelerate your vehicle to match the traffic flow or speed limit for that particular highway. 3. Look over the shoulder as many times as you need to find a safe spot. Make sure to do this carefully, being aware of your surroundings at all times. Well guys, this is it for today's video. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more educational videos. We would love feedback as well as suggestions on future videos that you guys would like for us to post. Your feedback is very important, it matters. We would also love to hear from everyone's experience, so do not hesitate to leave your comments below. I hope this video was helpful and hopefully you learned from it. This is Driving TV, and remember, we are here to help.